Good evening, members of the council. Happy New Year's and happy Black History Month. I rise today to speak about item 18 on the agenda, talking about having a strong relationship between employees and their bosses. I don't know if you all are aware of the allegations or the videotape that has been made public. We have the morale at the Fort Myers Police Department is at an all-time low. I'm here to tell you, they leaked a sex tape to Anthony Thomas. You got to believe that the morale has to be low, Fred, if they're leaking information to me about their bosses having sexual relations with Chinese transgendered women. So, we're here today to deal with this. We need to have this city council take some action. I've talked to Kevin Anderson, a man who has a lot of law enforcement experience and a man whom I greatly respect. And I told Kevin the police department is on the right track when they've referred the matter to Florida Department of Law Enforcement, but this council needs to take some action. And the action, Mr. Henderson, I would recommend that you take is to vote to hire someone, or rather have it be the city attorney or someone from the outside, to find out what did the police chief know and when did he know it. Now, I happen to know the answer to that question. The police chief got a memo, you all got it as well, Gail and Screets and all you, some time ago, about a year and a half ago, that specifically talked about this sex tape. It specifically said everything that was on it and what the officer had done. At the December meeting, I was pretty much assaulted by this man. He came in the back and put his finger in my face, and he threatened to sue me for defamation if I continued to talk about the sex tape where he's having a blowjob from a transgender Chinese woman. Like, this is astonishing that this is happening in the city of Fort Myers. So we have a situation now that people are asking questions. Mr. Henderson, I know you must hear it from your community. I hear it from my community. People in Dunbar going to work every day, working very hard to make a living and take care of their family. And the question they're asking is, what's going on down there? Why are they spending our taxpayer money for sexual favors? Now, let me tell you something. This is not the first time this has happened. We can only look at the excellent report done by the News Press some time ago with the Harlem Lake case. Do you all remember reading the stories with that? It came out during the trial that the informant said they were having sexual relations with the police officers. So this is not a new phenomenon. Let me conclude by saying there's a new allegation that was just made. There's a videotape that I sent all to you. There are a number of African-American women here in the city of Fort Myers who made an explosive allegation, Mr. Henderson, that they had to have sex with police.
Your time is up. Conclude your remarks.
Okay. I'll just say this, Mr. Henderson. The new allegation is from these women that they had to have sex with police officers for their freedom. I respectfully request an investigation. Thank you.